We need only to give a patient of any kind nothing but mucusless food, for instance fruit, or even nothing but water or lemonade. We then find that the entire digestive energy, freed for the first time, throws itself upon the mucous matters accumulated since childhood and frequently hardened, as well as on the pathologic beds formed therefrom. And the result? With unconditional certainty, this mucus, which I mark as the common, basic, and main cause of all diseases, will appear in the urine and in the excrements. If the disease is already somewhat advanced, so that in some spot, even in the innermost interior, there have appeared pathologic beds, i.e. decomposed cellular tissues, then pus is also being excreted. As soon as the introduction of mucus by means of artificial food, fat meat, bread, potatoes, farinaceous products, rice milk, etc., ceases, the blood circulation attacks the mucus and the pus of the body themselves and secretes them through the urine, and in the case of heavily infected bodies, even through all the openings at their command, as well as through the mucous membranes. If potatoes, grain meal, rice, or the respective meat materials are being boiled long enough, we receive a jelly-like slime mucus, or paste, used by bookbinders and carpenters.